Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 17th November 2024. We'll dive into the latest happenings surrounding Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please note that the content does not represent our opinions and is just a reflection of news items in public media. Democratic Senators Jack Reed and Jian Shaheen have called for an investigation into Elon Musk's alleged communications with Russian President Vladimir Putin. They are concerned about potential national security risks due to Musk's significant government contracts. The Wall Street Journal reported Musk's high-level discussions with Putin, which the Kremlin denies. Musk has vowed to uncover the sources of these accusations. The senators are worried about Musk's reliability as a government contractor, noting his alleged communications with Russian officials like Sergei Kiriyenko. They stress that Russia's space ambitions pose a threat to U.S. security. Musk's recent political engagements, including supporting Donald Trump's 2024 campaign and diplomatic discussions with world leaders, add complexity to the situation. Elon Musk's new Department of Government Efficiency is raising eyebrows with its application process. Applicants must send resumes via direct message to a premium account on X, creating a paywall. Critics warn of potential conflicts of interest, especially given Musk's federal contracts. The department seeks super high IQ small government revolutionaries, but the roles are unpaid. A report from the US government's All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office reveals many UAP sightings are misidentified Starlink satellites. SpaceX's satellites often appear in visible trains, leading to confusion. The ACARO is working to educate the public and pilots to reduce mistaken reports, noting no evidence of extraterrestrial life has been found. Elon Musk's AI, Grok, has labeled him as a significant spreader of misinformation on X. This came after a user inquiry highlighting Musk's high visibility and follower count. Grok's response has sparked discussions about misinformation's impact and the responsibilities of influential figures in the digital age. The court case between Elon Musk and Sam Altman has unveiled emails from OpenAI's early days. These emails reveal strategic discussions about AI development and Musk's concerns over AI safety and governance. Musk's departure from OpenAI marked a shift in its mission and governance, as it transitioned to a capped profit model. Elon Musk has expanded his lawsuit against OpenAI, adding Microsoft and Reid Hoffman as defendants. The lawsuit alleges antitrust violations and prioritization of commercial interests over public good. Musk's XAI claims OpenAI's partnership with Microsoft has harmed its funding opportunities. OpenAI dismisses the claims as baseless. The social media platform X, owned by Elon Musk, is seeing a user exodus to Bluesky, founded by former Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey. This shift follows Musk's appointment in Trump's government, affecting user experience and moderation. Bluesky's growth highlights a fragmented social media landscape, with users seeking platforms aligning with their values. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Join us next time for more news on Elon Musk and his ventures. Until then, stay informed and take care.